Good day, everyone. I am Christian Gironda Jacinto, a second-year BPAD student studied at Central Mindanao University. Today, let's play a target bowl. Before we start, let me introduce to you the game. The goal of this game is to balance game, speed, and accuracy in group setting, challenging players to hit targets as quickly as possible without sacrificing precision. Player must have 3 to 6 members. The material of this game is pens, enough for each player's, ball, distance from a starting line, stopwatch or timer, score sheet to record each player, time, and accuracy. How the game is played. To set up, place the target ball at distance from a starting line, creating zones that are progressively farther away and therefore harder to hit accurately. Starting sequence, each player takes turn aiming to throw their pens into the target zone as quickly as possible. Players will be timed as they attempt to land their pens accurately within the target bowl. Each successful hit within a bowl counts as a point. But for every miss, a 2 seconds penalty and added to their time. Scoring. The goal is to have the lowest combined time and the highest accuracy. After all players finish, calculate the total time, including penalties, for each player. Winning. The player with the best combination of speed and accuracy, lowest unadjusted time, wins. The game have speed and accuracy. And once again, I am Christian Gironda Jacinto, a second year BPED student. And that's to be all. Thank you.